If you've driven a newer Toyota hybrid, you may have noticed something surprising during acceleration. As the vehicle gains speed, it can feel like the transmission is shifting through gears, just like a conventional automatic. The engine RPM rises, briefly drops, then climbs again, creating the familiar sensation of gear changes. Here's the strange part: your Toyota hybrid doesn't actually have gears to shift through. Unlike a traditional automatic transmission with multiple gear sets and clutch packs, most Toyota hybrids use an electronic continuously variable transmission, or eCVT. Instead of changing gears, the system continuously adjusts how power from the gasoline engine and electric motor is delivered to the wheels. In normal operation, there are no first, second, third, or fourth gears being engaged. So if nothing inside the transmission is physically shifting, why does it sometimes feel like it is? The answer isn't hidden in the transmission at all, it's hidden in the software. Toyota intentionally programmed certain hybrid models to mimic the feeling of gear changes, even though no actual shifts are taking place. It's a deliberate engineering decision, and it has nothing to do with adding fake performance or disguising a flaw. In fact, this programming solves a problem that many drivers never realized existed. It changes the way the car feels without changing the basic mechanical design of Toyota's hybrid system. In this video, we're going to uncover why Toyota made that decision, how the programming works, which hybrids use it, and why understanding this feature can completely change the way you think about your Toyota hybrid. To understand why a Toyota hybrid can feel like it's shifting gears, you first need to understand how its transmission works. Despite the name, Toyota's hybrid eCVT is completely different from the belt-and-pulley CVTs used in many gasoline cars. A conventional automatic transmission changes gears using multiple gear sets and clutches. Each shift is a physical change from one gear ratio to another. Toyota's hybrid system works differently. At the center of the eCVT is a power split device, a planetary gear set that connects the gasoline engine with two electric motor generators. Instead of shifting gears, it continuously blends power from the engine and electric motors based on driving conditions. One motor generator starts the engine and controls its speed, while the other drives the wheels and captures energy during regenerative braking. A hybrid control computer constantly manages all three power sources to deliver the best balance of efficiency and performance. Because there are no traditional gear changes, power delivery is smooth and uninterrupted. The engine can run at the RPM needed for efficiency or performance without waiting for a transmission to shift. That's why, during hard acceleration, the engine may stay at a higher RPM even as the vehicle continues to gain speed. Nothing is slipping and no gears are changing. The system is simply keeping the engine in its optimal operating range while the electric motors provide additional support. This simple design is one reason Toyota's hybrid eCVT is known for exceptional reliability. With no shift clutches or stepped gear changes, there are fewer components that experience wear. But that same smooth acceleration created an unexpected challenge. While engineers valued its efficiency, many drivers missed the familiar feel of gear changes. And that's exactly the problem Toyota's software engineers set out to solve. When Toyota developed its hybrid Synergy drive system, the goal wasn't to make it behave like a conventional automatic transmission. The priority was simple: maximize efficiency, performance, and long-term reliability. From an engineering perspective, letting the engine run at its most efficient RPM, while the electric motors filled in the rest, was the ideal solution. But there was one challenge. Most drivers are used to conventional automatics, where engine RPM rises, a gear shifts, RPM drops, and the cycle repeats itself. Over decades of driving, that pattern became what many people instinctively associated with normal acceleration. Toyota's hybrid system didn't behave that way. During hard acceleration, the engine could hold a steady, higher RPM, while the vehicle continued to accelerate smoothly. Although this was perfectly normal, some drivers felt the car was less responsive simply because it lacked the familiar sensation of shifting gears. Rather than redesigning the transmission, Toyota solved the problem with software. Engineers programmed the hybrid control system to simulate gear changes by briefly adjusting engine RPM and power delivery during acceleration. The result is a more familiar driving feel, even though the eCVT itself never changes gears. Mechanically, nothing is different. The power split device continues operating exactly as designed. Only the software changes how the engine and electric motors deliver power, creating the impression of stepped gear shifts. However, not every Toyota hybrid uses this programming to the same extent. Some models make the simulated shifts far more noticeable than others, and that's what we'll explore next. If you found this video helpful so far, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. It helps the channel and allows me to keep bringing you practical Toyota hybrid advice. Earlier hybrids, especially older Prius models, were tuned almost entirely for efficiency. During hard acceleration, the engine would often hold a steady RPM as the vehicle continued to gain speed. It was efficient, but it didn't deliver the familiar feel of a conventional automatic transmission. Newer models take a different approach. Hybrids such as the Camry, RAV4, Corolla, Crown, Grand Highlander, and several Lexus hybrids use software that simulates gear changes to make acceleration feel more natural, particularly when merging onto a highway or accelerating hard. The feature isn't active all the time. During gentle driving or steady cruising, the eCVT delivers its usual smooth, continuous power. The simulated shifts become noticeable only when the driver asks for stronger acceleration. That's also why owners report different experiences. A driver with a light throttle may rarely notice the feature, while someone who accelerates more aggressively will feel the programmed RPM changes much more often. One common misconception is that these vehicles have gained physical gears. They haven't. The eCVT still operates exactly as it always has. No clutches engage, no gear ratios are selected, and nothing inside the transmission is physically shifting. What you're feeling is the software adjusting engine RPM and power delivery to create a more familiar driving experience. But if it's all happening through software, does it have any impact on the long-term reliability of Toyota's hybrid system? That's the final question we'll answer. The short answer is no. Simulated shifts don't add gears, engage hidden clutches, or change how the eCVT operates. The power split device and electric motor generators work exactly as they always have. That's why this feature doesn't affect the reliability Toyota hybrids are known for. The drivetrain remains the same proven design, with no additional mechanical wear caused by these simulated shifts. It also reflects Toyota's engineering philosophy. So the next time your Toyota hybrid feels like it's shifting gears, you'll know what's really happening. It's also a reminder of how modern vehicles are evolving. Today, software is just as important as mechanical engineering in shaping the driving experience. Toyota has used it to make its advanced hybrid system feel familiar without compromising the qualities that made it successful. So, if you've ever wondered why your Toyota hybrid seems to shift despite having an eCVT, now you know the answer.